What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to cover tomorrow's game plan Wednesday. And if you already see, we got drama this week. We got crazy enough that we got all these big boys recording their earnings this week. And then let's see if we got anything that'll rock the market tomorrow. And if it couldn't get any worse of a crazy week, we got Big Daddy Powell in the building, 2 o'clock, 2:30. So, man, buckle up your seatbelts. It should be a crazy ride tomorrow. These are weeks that you can really pound on the dollars in your bank account. You can really grow your portfolios crazy amounts this week. You can blow them things this week too. So you guys that's out there shooting the shot without the proper risk management, then you are the ones that's going to see your portfolios go bye-bye this week. But to everybody else, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's get it. First ticker up for newbies and beginners. We got Palantir on deck. I put a play out there in Palantir today. Man, you see Palantir kept riding up. If you are a bull, tomorrow you want to see them open about 80.80. If they can do that right there, they're going to run up to before they start trying to boom it to this stuff right here, 82.25, before they start trying to run to their next level up, trying to run this thing to 82.50, $83. On the downside, you want to see this level right in here at 79.90 get taken out. They can open lower than that right there. You got 79.10 on deck. Next level down is a crucial level, 78.10. You see them hit 78.10, they're going to start pulling back, and you can count on it. Next level down, boom, you got 76.60. Next level after that is going to be 74.10. They definitely can start getting smacked down as Palantir continue to make these all-time highs and get into these areas. You got to know the bears is trying to prevent that, so they're going to try to smack that thing down. That's something for you to think about. Next ticker up is going to be XOM. They're sitting at 108.05. They have earnings as well this week. This should give you some volatility, but again, nothing moves the market like Powell. Well, Trump probably have the closest thing to it, but when Big Daddy Powell in the building, it ain't no telling what this market gonna do. Whatever he says, as soon as he gets to the podium, the market start booming or either start dropping. Stay away from this volatility. Wait for him to get done. Let's see how Wall Street reacts, and then we'll play the direction. If you are a bull, you want to see 108.70 get taken out. They can open higher than that. Your next level is going to be 109.54, and then boom, you got 110.90 on deck. Next level up is going to be 112.35. Don't rule out a good pop to the upside because, again, you know, they got earnings come around the corner, and you know how Wall Street like to pump these tickers before they report. On the downside, you want to see these bottoms right here at 107.70 get taken out. They can knock out that. Boom, you got 106.91. They start dropping with some volume and you see all this turbulence. They can really pick up speed and drop this down to 105.50 before they fall back down real hard. So newbies, beginners, there you go with 2 plays for you to pay attention to tomorrow. Jot the levels down. When you see them start getting to that area, you already know what time it is. But even more, if you studying candlestick formations and all this other stuff, you can look at a chart and say, oh man, I know what's going on. I can look at this chart right here and I can see right here, they're trying to form a bottom here. This was a bottom. So naturally, I'm going to be looking over here to see these candlesticks, to see what happens right in here. And they start hitting this area right here and start consolidating, I know they're ready to run this thing back up. That's a double bottom. So that's just a little quick tip. That way you see what Fresh is paying attention to throughout the session. That way I'm trying to throw this stuff out to you guys. That way you can spot it in real time and be able to dominate those plays. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? First ticker out of the gate is going to be Apple. Let's get it. Guys, we had a play out in Apple. I gave this play out as one of my morning call outs. And man, this play went crazy, crazy, crazy. They're sitting at 237.91. They report Thursday as well. But if you are a bull, you want to see 238.50 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you got 239.40. Next level up. Boom, they got 240.20. I would almost pay attention to this area right here. You see them start running up and they start consolidating in that area. You can call that a double top, which means they're going to come down. But as soon as they start booming through it, it'll invalidate it. Keep trucking to the upside. On the downside, what you want to see is this level right here at 237.20 get taken out. They can take out that level. Boom, you got 235.80. Next level down. Boom, 234.60. Down here, they can run this thing down to 232.90 before I think bulls start trying to have some say-so in this. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. Man, we got into Tesla today and we start calling some plays. And again, guys, when I'm giving out these plays and what they're trying to do, I'm trying to teach you some of the stuff that I'm paying attention to when I'm looking at the chart. And that way you guys can pick it up throughout the session. So they're sitting at 396. If you are a bull, you want to see this level up here at 400.60. Guys, where did we bounce from? You see, to the penny. They hit my level right here and they came back down. And then guys, if you watching these videos daily, you see these same levels on my chart. Tesla keep coming to these levels. They keep getting smacked down. And I'm letting you guys know, hey, bulls can't run this thing until they get past that level right there. And they smacked my level and they came right back down. So that's where you want to see them open up. If they can open up here and hold that level, check this out. Boom, you got to run up to 408 on deck. To the downside, what you want to see is this level right here at 390.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You got a little resistance at about 387.90 and then boom, you got 382.40 on deck. There's a couple levels for you guys that's playing Tesla. Next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. But guys, Tesla, don't forget, they report on Thursday. So that's going to be a rocky, rocky, rocky ride. Nvidia, let's get it. We walked down Nvidia today. I tried to bounce from, SPY to Nvidia to Tesla and not really get stuck on one play. I know we got stuck on Nvidia because we was riding that thing up, but then I said, you know what, hold up, let's check these other tickers out. Let's check SPY out. Let's check Tesla out. But guys, you already know it's the same results. I'm throwing those plays out and you see they are coming right to my areas of interest. Nvidia sitting at 127.70. If you are a bull, you want to see them open up somewhere around 128.30. Next level up is going to be 129. They break through that right there, they can start running this thing up. You see them open higher than 129, they can run this thing all the way up to 133.10. So that's an area that you need to pay attention to. On the downside, you want to see them open around 126.90. They can start doing that. You got some shelf levels in here at 126.60. Next shelf level is this area in here, 125.80. You want to see them break this level right here, 124.90. They can break that right there. That opens up the door for a drop back down to 122.20. So there you go. You already know with these tickers, I'll be handling in real time, updating these things. That way we know what this play is trying to do. So I got one more play for you that we knocked out of the ballpark. I think this was the bonus play. And shout out to whoever that took that. You had plays to the downside. You had plays to the upside. I still think that this is a play to the upside. It gave us the downside move, but I think that this is going to pop. If you are a bull with this one, you want to see them open higher than 209.95. They do that right there. You got another level at 213.40. They can get pumping. You want to see the bulls hold 218.45. If they can do that right there, they can boom this thing. You got boom, 241.15, and it's all lining up perfect. You got Fed Powell in the building. This is a perfect storm for this one to go crazy. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 206.20. They can do that right there. You got this little area of interest at 204.90, and then boom, 202 even. Next level down is going to be this bottom right here at 234. They start breaking this level down here at 196.40. They're going to fall off a cliff. There you go. And that one, just want to cover that bonus play again. Champagne bottles to you guys that played that one and made money. So we walking these plays down. This is that Tesla play that I called out, where I said they was going to run into some issues at 400.60. You already know they ran it right to the button. I said Tesla heating up. Bulls will need to hold above 400.60 to start trying to boom this thing up higher. But they ran that thing right to that level, and I called that when Tesla was sitting at 397. I said the 400.60 was going to be the area of interest. As you see with Nvidia, man, we just started walking Nvidia down. We walked that play down from like 124 all the way to 129. And man, you already see we out here knocking these plays out of the ballpark. We pumping. You already know we killed it. Another target knocked out. So I know you guys are paying attention to the plays and you are learning. I see it. And I'm super proud of you guys. I want to give a shout out while we're talking about it. I want to give a shout out to Wildflower D-Fresh. Thanks. You have no idea. I made $647 in Tesla. It's not huge, but I'll take it. $647 is $647. Nothing to be ashamed about that. That's good money. It's a billion people that'll take that profit every single day. Building confidence. I have been eating the candlestick guide and even downloaded an app. Shout out to you for going out there, doing your research and trying to improve your craft. That's what separates the good from the great. I'm proud of you. I am doing everything to regain what I lost during the trial run. I am getting this defresh. I am almost out of the negatives. Now I know what I did wrong. Headed towards the green is my mission. Let's get it. Boom. Hey, super duper proud of you. I'm happy your growth in this game. You started as a newbie, didn't understand what was going on. You went out there, you doing the research, you understanding better the plays, and now you are reaping the benefits to all of that studying and all that work that you're putting in. I couldn't be happier for you. Keep grinding. Champagne bottles in the air for you. Y'all show some love for Wildflower. I am proud of you. To all of you guys that's watching, that's not in the Discord, guys, you already know, get in the Discord. We out here having fun. We throwing the plays out. Spy, boom, knocked that one out of the ballpark. Tesla, you already know what we did with Tesla. Nvidia, you already know. Look at that Apple play. Calls a break and hold up at 230.55. Apple went all the way to 240. That is crazy. That's great money. Look at that bonus play. AVGO 209. That thing went up under $200 and it came back and popped over where it started at. So guys, that's a rinse and repeat play. You can make money on that. There's plenty of them out there. RBLX, that's a rinse and repeat play. It's so many plays that we can dominate and make money on. Y'all, man, it's a pleasure being able to serve you guys and throw out these shots, but even more pleasurable to watch you guys dominate the market. So, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.